Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to invite other players to your tournament. In other tutorials I've shown you how to create a tournament and add users to your tournament, but in this one I'll show you what the invite flow looks like for other players. On the left we have a tournament that we've already created and added some users to, and I'm showing this in the web, but it looks the same on Android and iOS, so you can use whatever you'd like. And on the right we have the other player's device. So the first thing we're going to do is add the other player, create user, and for this example I'm going to enter their email address, but if you don't have their email address or don't want to enter it, you don't have to, and I'll show you what that looks like after. So we tap done, and you can see we've added the other player to the tournament. And on the right, on the other player's device, we can see that we've just received a new email. We tap on the email. We can see that there's a link to the tournament. If they tap on that, it'll open the app. If they don't have the app installed yet, it'll bring them to the App Store or the Play Store. And once they're finished downloading the app, it'll bring them back to this page. So we'll tap sign up. With the same email that we used when we added them to the tournament. Tap sign up. And you can see that they're automatically displayed the tournament that they were added to on their home page. And if they tap on it, they can see their name on the leaderboard and the play icon where they can start their round. Now for the next example, I'll show you what it looks like if you don't have their email. So we'll just log out here. So let's create a new user. And we're not going to enter their email this time. Tap save. Done. And on the right, that player is going to sign up using the same name that we added them to the tournament. Tap sign up. And what the app does is it looks through the database for any users that have the same name, and if it finds one that doesn't have an account associated with it yet, it will prompt the user to connect their accounts. So here it's showing that the tournament that's associated with the user that you created on the left, adding players demo, and the tournament host. So this would be your name if you were the one creating the tournament. So as the user on the right, I can see that I recognize this tournament and the tournament host and say, yes, this is me. And I'm automatically displayed that tournament. And again, I can start adding scores. So for the final example, let's say that the user signs up with a different name than what you gave them on the left when you were adding them to the tournament. So let's log out again. Create a user. So a common example of when this happens is if the player signing up uses a shortened version of their name. So let's say we add Michael on the left. So we've added Michael Demo 2 to the tournament, and on the right, as the other player, we sign up as Mike. So since we signed up with another name or a different name, the system isn't automatically able to find the tournament. So you have two ways of getting the user to join the tournament. On the left, if you tap the three dots and share, you can copy the tournament link or the invite code. Both of them work similarly. For the tournament link, this will copy a URL, and if you send the URL to the other player, all they have to do is tap on it and the tournament will appear for them. Or you can send them the invite code, which in this case is FAZUKA. So we'll copy that. And on the right, after you've sent the other player the invite code, they just tap the green plus button, join existing tournament, enter the code. It'll ask if they're a participant or a spectator in the tournament. In this case, we are a participant. And now the app will show all of the users that don't have an account associated with them and ask the player if they recognize their name. So in this case, we can see that, oh, we were added as Michael and we signed up with Mike. So this is us. So we can tap on this. It'll confirm that this is us. And now we're registered in the tournament and we can start keeping track of our score. So as you can see, there are several different ways of adding users to the tournament. Most of them are pretty seamless, especially if you add their email or the other player signs up with the same name. But either way, it's pretty simple for other players to sign up and join your tournament. That's all for now. Thanks.